Process deciding whether to buy or sell. Well, the process in deciding to buy or sell basically comes to my bias on the pair and where price is trading. For example, if there's an uptrend in the market, then most of the time I'm looking to a buy. I'm naturally looking to try and continue that trend. But it does depend where we are within the trend on a couple different perspectives. Number one, is price just creating new highs, or is price having a pullback into structure, into areas of support, areas of demand, trend line, so on and so forth. Depending what phase we're in, at the high or at the low, will dictate whether I'm looking to buy or sell. Sometimes I will take some counter trend moves. If price does create a new high, I can potentially look to short moves here, more of an aggressive trade, but I wouldn't be looking to buy as price creates new highs, because my impression would be, okay, a pullback's likely to happen. So in terms of deciding where to buy or sell, number one, the direction of the market plays a big role. So in this case, we've got a bullish market, so most of the time I'm looking to buy. But like I said, where we're trading within that trend is also going to play a role. If we're at the highs here, I'm not going to be looking to buy despite that we're in a bullish trend. But if we are in a pullback coming to key areas, then yes, I'm going to buy. And same thing with a bearish trend. If we're making lower lows and lower highs, in this situation, as price creates new lows, I'm not looking to sell anymore. But if we do pull back up into structure, then yeah, I'm looking to sell. So keep an eye on location, keep an eye on direction. If of course the market is flat and is not trending anywhere, then I'm very focused at the highs and lows. This is where I want to sell, this is where I want to buy, and in the middle of that is where I want to stay away and do nothing, or unless manage my trade if I'm in a position. But these are the areas which I'm looking to sell and buy from. So I'm very much looking to buy and sell where areas are likely to reverse and continue a trend or continue the swing of a range. I'm not trying to get in the middle of anything. I'm trying to kind of not necessarily call the bottoms or tops, but buy near the bottoms, buy near the tops, because that's naturally where you're going to capitalize on a big swing trade. As the swing is starting, not whilst the swing is already halfway done or most of the way done. So in terms of whether I'm looking to buy and sell, direction and location are the two key areas which will determine that. So are we bullish? Are we bearish? Are we sideways? And then secondly, where are we located within those trends, all those ranges. That in a nutshell basically sums up whether I'm looking to buy or sell. For example, this gold market we're seeing right now, of course, very, very bullish, creating new highs. I do want it to pull back now to come back to more of a discount, more to areas where other buyers will be looking to enter the market, potentially maybe some sellers looking to exit as well. This is where I'm looking to try and find some buying opportunities. As price pushes up, this is not the time to be looking to buy, because you've already seen an up move here. If I drop to the hourly chart, you probably see it better. You've already seen most of an up move, a strong up move. Doesn't mean price can't continue higher, but we've already seen a push. Price is now looking fairly tired. I'd rather price go down, make a move against the trend, maybe take out some lows, and this is where I want to pick up some longs to continue that larger trend on the higher time frame.